And as for day 5, we will have people write their own speech, and we want them to show it to everybody. This will be self-public speaking, and we will spend the last 2 hours of day 5 doing this. And then at the end of the public speaking, we'll have everyone reflect on what they learned, what they feel like they can still work on, and everything in general. The process of teaching. So day 1, it was our goal to create a safe place for all trainees. Day 2 is to enhance their coherence and trusting abilities. Day 3 is to enhance their team functionality. Day 4 is to prepare them for public/group speaking. And day 5, each person will explain their purpose in life in a speech to the group. This has been my presentation. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.